Dear children, today we will learn the beautiful story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. One night, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam saw a special dream. He saw the sun, the moon, and the stars bowing to him. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was kind and beautiful.
जरा और खींचो भाइयों, पानी के करीब है। यूसुफ, आप हैं, हमारी उम्मीद जागू थी।
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.